many more eggs.
Better hurry, they're chasing you. Alright, now go in there and get the eggs. Be gentle with them.
None here. None here. No snakes in here, right?
There's no snakes.
And a golf ball. So good. And I have to ask somebody what the golf ball is for. Right here. And down here. Down here. No. Down here. Come on, chicken, start laying. There's a golf ball. There's 2 golf balls on one plate. Put one in here. Oh boy, this one made a lot. Oh, hey. Move it.
You got them?
Another golf ball, yeah.
Alright, come on, we gotta go to the next one.
How did I get down here? Look, Brownie. Between you and me now. Oh, come on, Brownie.
Alright, quickly go to the next one.
Oh. Where the heck's that? God, you have to be 6 feet tall to get up here.
Careful, don't step on your eggs.
Well, where's your other snake? Look like I can't even see. I put my hand in there.
Hang on. We'll look and see if there's any eggs.